Okay, it's fess up time. You'll remember a few months ago now, well, about 6 months ago, if I'm honest, I cancelled all my subscription boxes, clawed it all back, and said I was only buying fabric in person as much as I possibly could. And I've done really, really well. So, I've signed up to one of the subscription boxes, and it was my favourite one. And I've had fabric envy watching all the unboxings of these for the past few months. Loved almost all the fabrics that have been in the boxes. So, can you guess which one I've signed back up to? It's this one. Obviously, it's in pink wrapping, so it's got to be Beyond the Pink Door and Andrea's wonderful Sewscription boxes that she does. I've signed back up, but before we open it, I am going to commit to something. I am going to make something up in the fabric in the month that I receive it. So obviously, this is the first one. It's easy, isn't it? I'm going to open this, I'm going to have a think, come up with some ideas, and then when next month's box arrives, I'll be showing you, fingers crossed, what I've made up in this fabric and do the unboxing. I'm going to carry on doing that to keep on top of it. Sounds like a plan. So shall we get this baby open? I'm so excited. It always is boxed up so beautifully by Andrea. So here we go. Look at that gorgeous box. I've mixed her boxes because I use them to store things in. I can start buying lots of little haberdashery things. And it's got a little sticker, I don't know if you can see it. It says, live, laugh, love, sew. Nice, is that? I'm going to try and open this together with you. So you'll probably see what's inside before me. So here we go. Now, pink tissue paper. Loving the card. If you need me, I'll be under the sun hat. And you get a QR code to scan. Scan this code with your phone or iPad to access the ebook which accompanies this monthly box. It's Sewscription box number 29. This month's box contains 2.5 metres of fabric. There are 3 colourways. Fabric details can be found in the ebook. Love that card. Very bright. Is that a clue, do we think? Let's have a look. Russell. Oh, I've missed doing this so much. Oh, white chocolate popping candy. I think I'm going to be eating that this afternoon. I've got the munchies. After being on a holes and eating what I want for 10 days. Now, bright orange thread. Is that a clue to the colour? I'm even more excited now. Oh wow, I've got pack. Humongous pack of buttons that are all different sizes. Really handy. Loving that one. Seeing the fabric. Love it. Absolutely. Love it. Shall I get it out for you? Am I teasing you too much? Wait till you see this. Just wait till you see this. It's so soft. Look at that. Oh my goodness me. Could have done with this last month on my holes. I just have to book another one now, won't I? 2.5 metres of that. OMG. This is going to take some thinking about, girls. I'm going to pop away, have a look at the ebook for some inspo, and then come back with some ideas. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I've bobbed on and looked through the magazine and like the idea that it's an e-magazine, so you can't lose it, and it's not wasting paper. And while I was doing it, I opened up the chocolate. Oh, wow! Not only is it white chocolate and popping candy is gluten-free, oh, look at those psychedelic colours. I think I'm going to have to try some soon. So, I got a little bit of inspo from the pattern choices. A lot of them were Italia Jupe, because I know Andrea loves Italia Jupe. But there were a few Maison Fauve ones. And I thought, I've got a Maison Fauve pattern that I've not used yet. So the dress I've chosen is the Maison Fauve Bisons dress. There's an image of it. I've got it in my stash and I've not used it yet, so that's an option. The other idea that I liked that Andrea chose as well was the Tilly and the Buttons Mabel. There's the Mabel, so that's on my radar as well. And then the third one that I think I might try is my swim style pants. New pattern that I've bought, and it's the Andes set. And there's that. So I'll have a think, decide which one I want to make, and get it all made up for you for a reveal when the next box arrives. So do you just subscribe to be on the pink door? And what colourway did you get? Because there's 3. I'm super happy with the colourway that I got, but I think there's a purple and a blue colourway as well. So let me know which colourway you got and what you're planning on making with it. Give me some inspo, because the 3 choices that I've made might get outshadowed by something else. Who knows? So as I said, that's my unboxing. The next time you see this fabric, it will be made up into a garment when the next box arrives. Thanks so much, Andrea. Absolutely love the fabric. I'm so happy to be back in the pink door Sewscription box gang again. See you all next time. Happy sewing.